Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about something a lot of people dread, dealing with IRS tax debt. If you owe money to the IRS, you might be wondering, can you settle that debt for less than you owe? Or is there a way to negotiate with the IRS on your own? Today I'm breaking down the real tax relief options the IRS offers without paying big fees to a third-party company. First, let's clear something up. When people say tax relief, they usually mean getting the IRS to accept less than what they currently owe. Not all services advertising tax relief are legitimate, and the IRS won't call you out of the blue offering relief. That's often a scam. But they are official programs you can use if you owe back taxes. Option 1, the most well-known IRS settlement program is called an offer in compromise. That's when you offer to pay less than your full tax debt and the IRS accepts it. You can only use this if the IRS believes the offer represents the most they can expect to collect from you. Here's what you need to know about it. The IRS looks at your income, expenses, assets, and ability to pay. You need to submit specific forms and documentation to make a valid offer. Not everyone qualifies, but if you do, this can be a powerful way to reduce owed tax debt. The IRS has official instructions on how to complete an offer in compromise. And it's important to follow them carefully so your offer is not rejected. Option 2, another option is a partial pay installment agreement. This is basically a payment plan where you agree to pay less than your total balance over time. Here's how it works. You set up a monthly payment schedule with the IRS. The payment does not have to cover the full amount immediately. It's an agreement, but you must stay current with your future tax obligation or the IRS could change the agreement. Here's the honest truth. The IRS doesn't just wipe away tax debt because you ask nicely. Not all companies that advertise tax relief will do what they promise. And you don't have to pay expensive fees to a third party to work with the IRS. You can do it yourself. If you want help, it is best to work with a credible CPA, enrolled agent, or tax attorney, but always be cautious and do your due diligence. Thanks for watching. If you find this to be helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tax tips. And if you have specific questions about your tax situation, consider talking to a licensed tax professional at IRS Tax. See you next time.